Let's talk about the markets here real quick, brought to you right here by Clarity Financial and the Clarity Financial Studios. The markets have, again, rallied back to all-time highs. Now, we said last Friday in our newsletter that this week we would actually test highs, and that's exactly what we're doing this week. Now, unfortunately, we haven't been able to get above those highs. We haven't been able to break out yet, and while we've made a couple of valid attempts this week, have not been quite able to get there yet. Now, we still have one more day, and a bit of good news maybe tomorrow on some front, some relaxation of some geopolitical stress, some good news out of China maybe. We could very well see this market rallying up. The market wants to get to new highs. And I said this 2 weeks ago in the newsletter. See, I say a lot in the newsletter. You need to read the newsletter. 2 weeks ago in the newsletter, I said with the NASDAQ breaking out to new highs, traders are going to want to push the S&P 500 to new highs. And that's exactly what's been happening here over the last couple of weeks. I still suspect that is going to happen, but the markets are very, very overbought in the short term. So when we actually get up here, don't be surprised if we get a pullback or some type of corrective action just to kind of relieve some of that overbought stress. And again, whenever you think about the markets can only move so far in one direction. It's like stretching a rubber band. And at some point, you've got to relax that rubber band before you can stretch it again. And currently, right now, we're fairly stretched. We get a bit of a pullback. That will be a better opportunity than today to actually put some cash back to work in the markets. And again, we're looking for that very same thing, a pullback here to 2750, 2760, 20, I'll spit that out, 2800, 2820. Will actually be a better opportunity to put some money to work. We're going to be looking to do that for our portfolios as well. And again, if you read the newsletter, simply go by the website, LanceRobertsShow.com, click the subscribe button, and that will get you right into our newsletter mailing list, and we will mail that out to you every weekend and keep you up to date. And in that, too, is our 401k plan manager to make sure you're doing something with your 401k plan at work. Make sure you're saving, make sure you're investing the right way, make sure you're managing money. That's what we do at Real Investment Advice and the Lance Roberts Show. And so get by the website for that. Quick break. We're going to come back, get into the show. We got lots of stories to get into. City Councilman at Large, Mike Knox, will be here as well. So hang around. More of the last episode, Lance Roberts Show, coming up next.
Get daily investment news you can use, delivered at the speed of the internet. Sign up for Lance's newsletter now at LanceRobertsShow.com.